Hey guys, today I want to talk about derma rolling for your lips and go over my 1-year update of derma rolling my lips. So I want to mention that I've only derma rolled my lips and my entire face, so I did my lips along with my face 4 times in total. So I did a derma rolling session every 3 months because I wanted to give my body time to heal and regenerate, you know, the damaged cells from the derma rolling. So I now have been derma rolling for an entire year. I started last September, it is now September. So I'm really excited to share with you guys, you know, the final results and especially to do with my lips. So I did do an 8-month, maybe it wasn't an 8-month. I did do a previous update on derma rolling for lips, and I did notice a pretty big difference in the appearance of my lips and how plump they looked, how much fuller they looked, but not to a scary degree, not to the point where it looks like you went to a clinic and got fillers. Definitely not that much fuller. It's more of a subtle change, okay? So probably you more than anybody else would notice how much fuller your lips look, but there still is a definite difference between before I was derma rolling on my lips and then after I was derma rolling for my lips. So I'm going to show you guys the official 1 year before and after pictures of my lips, which I'm like so excited about. It's not like I hated my lips or anything before, but now I just absolutely love my lips. I think they look beautiful, they look natural, they look naturally full, and I think that this is just a fantastic way for you to increase the overall size and plumpness and appearance of your lips in a natural way so that it just doesn't look scary as fuck. Oh, if you're not into that, go with derma rolling. Go the derma rolling route. And it's very inexpensive. The derma roller that I used to make my lips bigger only cost me $12 off of Amazon. So I'm just like so happy with my results. I'm going to show you guys. Let me know what you think. I'm going to keep derma rolling my lips in the future, and continue with these update videos, see if maybe there'll be like a very gradual, more of a plumpness in my lips, more collagen, like maybe, right? And maybe I won't notice it unless I see pictures from like, you know, 4 years back of my old lips and then compare it. Maybe it'll be like an insane difference, but of course you don't notice because it's very gradual, day by day. So here is the official before and after for 1 year. The left is before and the right is after. So you can see the after looks a lot plumper, a lot fuller. If we look at my bottom lip, it looks fuller to me, but I especially noticed the biggest difference with the upper lip. In fact, so much so that it looks like there is a shadow being created there at the top of my upper lip. You guys can see that because of all the collagen that my body has been making, it's almost made my lips like project more out of my face to kind of give that filler effect, but it doesn't look as intense as actual fillers. So that is my official before and after. Freaking amazing for $12. Also, I want to mention I have been derma rolling my face and my skin has significantly improved with the combination of derma rolling and Retin-A. So if you are concerned about skin health, you know, having beautiful skin, keeping your skin youthful, you know, if you're into anti-aging, because I'm going to be 30 next year, I'm going to be uploading more videos about that. So yeah guys, that is derma rolling for my lips. If you guys are wanting more derma rolling updates of my lips, because I'm just going to keep posting them as the months progress, subscribe to my channel. I'll have that coming. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!